Alright guys, what do you want to do? We're in the train. This is the train. Train. Inside the car. I want to show nobody's face. He's doing a video. Me sitting in the train. Yeah, I'm always showing you from the outside. Now I'm inside looking out, okay? Inside looking out. Brother, when the train comes along. Yeah, this is Brooklyn, man. Yeah, good old Brooklyn, Brooklyn, New York. New York, New York. These are some of the houses in some parts in Brooklyn. Yeah. Those high-rise buildings. A lot of people living in New York, so they have to use high-rise buildings to help the crowd. Yeah. Yeah, I'm sitting in the train. Giving you a view from inside of the train to the outside of the train. Yeah, different parts in Brooklyn. Yeah, little part of Brooklyn today, okay? One of my favorite place in the city. Yeah. We're about to take a stop. If you can read, you will see where I'm stopping. And then I'm going further up. Yeah. This is the platform where people stand, take the train. Yeah, and then another train is on out there passing by. Yeah, and I'm in the 3 train. So 3. Yellow. Now I can show you the inside. Because the people exit the train. I want to show you people's face. I don't want to get in trouble showing people, okay? So this is what the car look like, or the coach inside of it. The seats, the floor is clean today. Most times it's clean. It is clean. But they always keep it clean, okay? So guys, yes, it's a little part of my train ride. A little part of Brooklyn. I'm not in Manhattan today. I didn't work today, so I'm on the road doing some business, running some errand. Okay, so hope you enjoy. Have a wonderful evening. Yes, Brooklyn. Thanks for coming with me on my ride. All right, see you later, guys. Love you. Thanks for your support.